Right, this is the working drive, very funny, right? The working drive had over 1 million errors. Man is right, 1 million errors, which is just like, what? Like, how can something have 1 million errors and still work? But it does. How's it going, everyone? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and today, guys, bringing us a brand new video talking to you guys about a certain topic which is kind of a bit hard to talk about because it's slightly my fault, as well as quite disappointing because I've let myself down, I've let you guys down because my PC died. Right, my PC died last week, which was a massive blow for me. Literally a massive blow. We lost over 3 terabytes of data, which was just mind-boggling. 3 terabytes of data gone. And yeah, that was not the best news which I had, especially I think it was about 1 AM as well. And I was working away, and my PC decided to give in. It just started to pack up. So that kind of sucked. I do have some good news though. The PC does work, right? Everything works except the 2 hard drives. 2 hard drives decided to fail in my PC. Now, you know, I take responsibility for this. You know, I had 2 hard drives and I set up to be RAID 0. So if you guys don't know what RAID 0 is, RAID 0 is where you have 2 hard drives and say for example, like you have some data here, like my face. Say that my face is the data, right? You split half my face on this drive and half my face on this drive. And the way it works is basically you get better performance, however you're splitting the data across 2 drives. Now the downfall of that is if something were to go wrong with one of the drives, you're gone. Like, I've lost half a face. Like if I only have this drive working and no drive here, I lose half a face pretty much, like half the file was gone. So I had that issue, which was, you know, just manic. It was a manic night. I text my friend who's like a pretty tech savvy guy. Like I'm pretty tech savvy because I studied computer science. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I made a bad mistake, but he's really tech savvy. And I text him, I was like, hey man, like, are you free? And he's like, man, if I was replying to this text, I would not be free. And I was like, well, that's actually a pretty good answer. So I gave him a call, we're on the phone for an hour or so, and the drives were showing up. However, Windows was saying one of the drives has died, and unfortunately I couldn't retrieve any files. So what I did, and what we're currently doing in this current process of you know, trying to recover our data is, you know, I sent the videos, I sent the files, I basically drove around to like my friend's work. So I have quite a lot of friends in the IT industry, and one of my friends in particular, he works for an IT business which deals with like people's computers, you know, servers, companies and stuff like that. And he had some equipment which he could test my hard drive to see if they had any life in them, and you know, if there was any chance we could recover some data. So we plugged them in, and the working drive, right? This is the working drive, very funny, right? The working drive had over 1 million errors. Man is right, 1 million errors, which is just like, what? Like, how can something have 1 million errors and still work? But it does. So we tested the second drive, but the second drive didn't want to show up. The second drive was like, I'm on strike, screw this, man, I'm not doing anything. And that is basically what the second drive pretty much did. The second drive was like, screw this, I've had enough. Like, you know, it's like someone going out on a date with someone, it's like, I've had enough of you, woman. Or a man, it's like, you know, what do you want to eat? Like, you know, when you go out with someone, it's like, what do you want to go for food? And everyone's like, I don't know, you choose. That's basically what the second drive has done. It's like, I'm sorry, I've had enough of our relationship. He just walked off. So, getting back to the story is that the second drive doesn't want to read, and so we can't really get any data from the second drive. We can get data from drive 1, which has over 1 million errors, but trying to get data over from drive 2 doesn't really want to work. So what the current situation is, guys, is I have 1 working drive, 1 dead drive, and my friend James tomorrow, so he will be talking to one of his like contracts, basically a company, a data recovery company, which you know, someone who they work with quite regularly whenever a customer has a data recovery problem. And what they do is like a no-win, no-fee type thing. So I send both drives over to them, and if they can fix the drives and recover the drives, if they can recover all the data, they then charge. And it's a little bit pricey, but yeah, at the end of the day, my tongue just went At the end of the day, guys, there's a lot of videos on those hard drives, which is something which I want to recover. And there's some of the stuff which is priceless because, you know, there's videos on those hard drives which are from my Paris vlog. So I went to Paris May 2015. So earlier this year, I still haven't uploaded those videos because I was going to like try and like make them the best and upload them later on and stuff like that. And, you know, I was really busy throughout the year with other type of videos. So I really want to cover those 4 videos. I also want to recover the videos when I went to Top Gear. Some challenge videos which I've done. There was like a MTV Cribs video I did on there, which was really funny. A video with my friend. It's just a few videos on there, and I know it's quite pricey to recover the data. However, at the end of the day, like, those videos are priceless, right? Like, you can't put, like, I can go back to Paris and record 4 days of footage. However, my like first reactions at viewing something, or like the crowd in the background, is all going to be different. So, you know, it's priceless. However, I do want to get it back, and hopefully we can. I will give you guys an update video once I can. So that is the update. You know, if you guys have been watching my Need for Speed series, I did a Need for Speed update video where I spoke to you about, you know, why I've been missing some Need for Speed videos, because basically what happened was, I uploaded like part 12, and I had part like 17, all the way up to 17 on my hard drive, which died. So I uploaded like part 18, but named it part 13, and people were confused like how I got really high up level, because I record everything I do. So you guys would have known already. But yeah, so don't use RAID 0. I bought, I think over there, I've got 6 terabytes of data, which I've purchased. So, you know, hopefully we will plug those bad boys back in. We're going to do RAID 1 this time, which is basically like this, but my whole face, say for example my face is fire, right? My whole face goes on this drive as well as this drive. So if this drive dies, my face is still alive, and that's basically pretty it. So, you know, kind of sucks, kind of my fault, but yeah, so, yeah. However, I'm still in a pretty good mood though, because, you know, we're smashing it, life is good. You know, never let certain things let you down. It is kind of annoying, but hopefully we can recover it, and I'll make a video hopefully soon with the brand new information. Hopefully next week we may have the data back. I'm hoping anyway. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys like the new scenery in the background. It's slightly different to my chair and bits and bobs, but bits and bobs, pans and pots. I don't know what I'm doing. It's currently like 9:20 at night, and my parents are at a concert, so free house, you know. I don't have parties though. I'm not that cool. I don't have many friends, so you know, making videos, and because you guys are my friends, so I make videos and stuff. But yeah, I'm absolutely crazy. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below on all wonderful jazz, and I will see you sexy faces soon. Bum bum doo 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 bum doo doo. Haha. This is random, I know, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios, chaps. Boom. Woo. Why am I still recording? I don't know. Catch you guys later. Boom.